Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on ChatGPT, the large language model trained by OpenAI. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model created by OpenAI. It is designed to converse with humans in a natural and engaging way. It uses state-of-the-art deep learning techniques to understand and generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and conversations. ChatGPT is based on the Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT) architecture, which allows it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses to a wide range of topics. In this video, we'll be exploring what is ChatGPT, how ChatGPT got started, some of its business and personal uses, how to use it, and what the future holds for this incredible technology. Let's start with how ChatGPT got started. In 2015, OpenAI was founded with the mission to create safe artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. One of the primary goals was to build a language model that could understand and generate natural language text. In 2019, OpenAI released an even more advanced version of GPT, called GPT-2. This version was so good that OpenAI initially decided not to release the full version to the public because of concerns about potential misuse. Eventually, OpenAI released a smaller version of GPT-2 to the public, and it quickly became popular among researchers and developers. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30, 2022. And quickly garnered attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. By December 4, 2022, ChatGPT already had over 1 million users. In January 2023, ChatGPT reached over 100 million users, making it the fastest-growing consumer application to date. Now let's talk about some of the business uses of ChatGPT. One of the most popular applications is chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversation with human users. With ChatGPT, chatbots can be trained to have more natural and human-like conversations with customers, leading to better customer satisfaction and increased sales. Another business use of ChatGPT is language translation. With its ability to understand and generate natural language text, ChatGPT can be trained to translate text from one language to another. This can be incredibly useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries and need to communicate with customers and employees who speak different languages. Content creation is another area where ChatGPT can be valuable for businesses. ChatGPT can be trained to generate high-quality content, such as blog posts, articles, and even product descriptions. This can save businesses time and money by eliminating the need for human writers. Now let's move on to some of the personal uses of ChatGPT. One popular application is personal assistants. With ChatGPT, personal assistants can be trained to understand and respond to natural language commands. This can be incredibly helpful for people who have disabilities or who simply want to streamline their daily tasks. Any questions?
How do I use ChatGPT?
Good question. Let me show you. Go to your browser. Type in ChatGPT in the search bar. Choose the openai.com/blog option in the search results. If you already have an account, just log in. If you haven't created an account, you will need to do so in order to log in. Once you have created an account, you simply type your question into the dialog box. After you have typed in your question, take a pause as ChatGPT generates its response. You can see that ChatGPT is generating a text response to your question. In this example, the question was asked, how to use ChatGPT. The response and tips generated are as follows. Be clear and specific in your questions or messages. The more information you provide, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs and provide a helpful response. If you have a specific topic in mind, include it in your message to help ChatGPT understand the context of your question. ChatGPT remembers previous prompts given to it in the same conversation. If you have any follow-up questions or clarifications, feel free to ask additional questions. Do this all in the same session, because ChatGPT remembers previous inputs given to it in the same conversation. So, what does the future hold for ChatGPT? One thing is for sure, it will continue to play a significant role in the field of natural language processing. With its ability to understand and generate natural language text, ChatGPT has enormous potential for a wide range of applications. What do you think about this? What are your thoughts and comments on this subject? Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.